how I did this, and I'm going to show you guys step by step how I did this so you don't miss anything. So first of all, if you are new to the ClickBank, you're going to go on clickbank.com and you're going to create a free account. So you're just going to click on create account, and in just a few steps you're going to create your first free ClickBank account. You need about 3 minutes to create a new account. Just enter here your information, bank information and account information, and it is you're probably going to do it in less than 3 minutes. Next thing we want to do is we want to see and we want to ask ourselves which niche we enjoy promoting. So to choose niche, you need to go on affiliate marketplace. So click on affiliate marketplace and you're going to choose here from some categories that you want to promote. So here you can see art and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business and investing, and a lot more. So the niche that I enjoy promoting, but I'm not promoting it anymore because it is boring for me, but this is possibly the biggest niche out there. It is 100% the biggest one, and this niche is really a money-making machine. So it is health and fitness. So next thing we want to do is when we click on health and fitness, we want to see some offers that we would like to buy. So how to choose the right product, and I'm going to show you guys just an example. So let's see this product. This is for a woman's health, and it is health and fitness product. So you want to promote you don't want to promote these products, let's say, to a man, because they are not for them. So you need to find special targeting for exactly this product. So we don't want to be specific like that, but we want to promote health and fitness products for everyone. So how are we going to do it? We are going to search, I think this is not health and fitness product. So let's say this is health and fitness product. So here you can see this is a new product and it has a really crazy gravity. So gravity is some indicator that this product is getting sales. So this is really important, because if these affiliates are getting sales with this product, then this product is a good product, and it's just showing us that other people are making money with it, so possibly we are going to do the same. So this is really high number. I like to promote products above, let's say, 30, but this is really high. This is some crazy product that gets crazy conversions. I don't know the reason, so we are going to check that out later. So next thing we want to do is we want to see average per sale. So this product on average per sale, you're going to get $24, which is not that good, but it is not that bad because this product has average bill. So this is some kind of monthly membership. So when we sell this product, we are still going to get some commissions from this product, and which is really good. From time to time, you're going to get sales and you're not going to do anything. So this is some monthly membership that we are going to get from this product, and average per sale for this product is $82, which is really high. I like to promote products from 75% commission or above. So this product is really good, and I think 82 is really good. So next thing we want to do is we want to check if this page has affiliate page. So this is some affiliate tools. So basically, what is affiliate tools? Here you can find some information more about the product. Here you can see what product is all about. So we want to check this out. Here you can see you can get up to $200 per sale from one customer. So just from one sale you can earn up to a $200+ so which is really crazy. And here you can see they paid out to 965 affiliate members almost $500,000, which is really crazy. So basically this product is new and they already paid paid out $543,000, which is really crazy. So this is really good one. And if we want to see affiliate tools, they are going to ask us for an email address. So we're going to give some random email address because we don't want any information from them right now. So I'm just going to enter some random information, and here you can see, so this is a really good product because you can really find everything you need. You can find free ebooks, so this is really important. You can find a landing page, you can find some pre-sale content, which is really important. So this product has almost everything, which is really crazy, and it is really not that this is rare, really, because they offer us a lot of information about the product. So here you can see they offer us banners, which is really important. So here you can see banners. They also have about the product, so you can learn what this product is all about. So it can be really easy for you to promote the product. They offer us also videos, and they offer us customer demographics, which is really important. And here you can see why. So 80% of the customers are women. So this is really important because we need to know our targeting. And 20% are men. Age is from 35 to 65. And this is also really important because we don't want to promote this product to, let's say, 18-year-olds, because they are not going to buy the product, because this is for people with 35 to 65. Next thing we can see here is most of the customers are from United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. So you want to focus on these three, but these three are usually I usually focus on these three when I sell each and every product, I think. Next thing here you can see what are their interests, people are looking for. Here you can see, and this is really important for us also, devices usage. So I usually promote to people from desktop because that is where I personally buy. When I buy something from internet, I buy it from desktop. So this is really important for me. And here you can see 30%, which is really high, our customers are from mobile phone, and 20% from tablet or something like that. I don't even know what is this. So 50% is usually the highest because people usually buy from their computers. So this is really important information for us, so we can now understand our customers, we can understand what the product is all about, and we have some also banners or images, so you can see product images. So we have all of that, which is really important for us, so we can easily promote this product. Next thing we want to do, we want to check a landing page. So how are we going to do that? Just click here. This is not the product, this is the product. So just click here on the link, and so here you can see this is really example of an amazing landing page. So basically what is happening here, you can see this is really nice design, and I like the background of this image in the background. So we have also a video here which they are going to talk about the product, and this is the sales pitch. So they are going to offer us, this is probably going to be 30-minute video, something like that. So they're going to talk about the problem of overweight, and after that they are going to talk about their product, and they're going to offer us the product to buy it. So this is really an amazing landing page. We don't have any distractions. Here you can see, if you want, you can click on read the text version. So this is really good landing page, and I really liked it. So here you can see if you try to click on to close this page, they are going to say wait. So this is some pop-up that is going to probably offer some discount or something like that. So we're going to close it for now, and we want to see if we have a returning customer. So if you can see the returning customer comes, so they are going to see this add to cart just for $37, and here you can see you can pay with PayPal, Visa, and more of that. So here you can see the value of the product is $897, but they are going to sell it for only $37. So basically that is what is happening here. So when they click add to cart, you're going to get 81 or something, 82% of the sales. So you're going to get 82% of these $37, and if they buy the product later, you're going to also get a commission on upsales. Next thing, we want now to create a small landing page because we want to promote this product, and we can't straight link, direct link to the product. So we want to create a small landing page. To create our free landing page, we are going to use Weebly. So just go on weebly.com and you're going to create your free account. After you create your free account, it is going to be 2 or 3 minutes. So nothing really special. You don't need to do anything special here. And you're going to see a page like this when you sign up. So you're going to click on Not Now, and we are going to create a small landing page. I usually show you guys how to do this, but I'm going to do it again because maybe there is someone new here. So it is really easy. Just let Weebly create your free landing page, and you're going to delete probably everything. So we need to create our free domain name. So here you can see they are going to offer us subdomain, which is the name of our domain.weebly.com. So we're going to choose the free domain because we don't want to pay for anything. And what are we going to do now is we're going to go on pages, and you want to delete all of the page. Next thing we want to do is we want to click on plus right here, and we want to create a new page. So we are going to name it just giving an example. So done, and we're going to delete also this one. So what are we going to do now is we're going to put here the name of our website. So we can put so you don't want to waste any a lot of time on this landing page because we need only here, let's say some text, weight loss, because this is weight loss product. So we don't want to waste any time, and we want to put an image below here. So what are we going to do is we're going to go on affiliate tools for this product, and we're going to go on images. So here you can find the product images. You can find the perfect one for you, and we can use, for example, this one. So we want to copy this link here, and we want to go back on Weebly. So we're going to insert this image here. So here you can see it looks perfect, and you can also add button below this, where is the button, we can add buttons, so we can put it in the middle, button text, here for discount, and we want to change button style, so we can put black, for example. So what we want to do now is we want to add affiliate links for this. So what are we going to do is we are going to click here on promote, and you're going to enter here your account nickname and just click on create the link. So when you create the link, you're going to see it here. I don't want to enter my ClickBank nickname here, so you're going to get this link and you're going to add images here. You can add the link, your affiliate link in the images here. So just click on advance, on link, website URL, and you can do the same for button. Link, website URL, and that is it. Just click on publish now. So here is your landing page. Here is your domain name. And what are we going to do now is we are going to copy this domain name because we are going to need it. So what are we going to do now is we're going to go on Facebook. So why is this really important? Because I'm going to show you guys I've done this method, and I'm going to blur it, but here you can see I've got 185 messages and I've got 29 message requests. So this is just from this method, and you don't really see how many I've got messages, how many I've answered, maybe around 1000 messages. So I've got in the past few months a lot of messages on this Facebook page. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you guys how I get these messages and how I make the money. So we are going to, just a second, we have a landing page. So we are going to search for some big Facebook groups. So weight loss. We are going to go on groups, and here you can see 57,000 members. So 57,000 people are interested in losing weight. So this is really important, and we are going to join these groups. Here you can see this page has 285,000 people. So what we want to do is we want to find some people asking for something, and we want to give them answer, and we want to tell them at the end of that answer that if they want, they can contact you for more info. So when they contact you, you're going to send them your landing page, which is this, and when they click your affiliate link, you're going to earn a commission. So this is basically the easiest way to make $100 per day, and I did it maybe 2 years ago, and it is still working because I'm still doing it, but not for selling ClickBank products. I'm doing it for creating email list. So I can do easily this same thing for ClickBank products, but as I said, I'm not doing it right now because I'm doing this same method for something else.